Good morning students. Today we are going to start our new topic shoot system. So first of all discuss that what is shoot system. The parts that are grown above the ground makes the shoot system. For examples, your stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. These all together form shoot system. Let's discuss one by one about each part of the shoot system. First of all, we are going to discuss about the stem. So, stem. So here we have a rough diagram of your plant. This is the plant and we have a parts flower, fruit, leaf, stem and this is your root. If I am talking about the stem, you can clearly saw that this part of a plant bears other parts of plant, that is your leaf, fruits and flower. So here stem is that part of a plant that bears parts of plant like flowers, fruits and leaves. Since these parts are known to be as aerial parts of a plant, as they are grown above the ground. So we can say that stem bears aerial parts of the plant. Next thing you can see clearly that link can be act as a medium, or we can say connecting link between leaf, fruit, flower and root. So we can say that stem can be act as a medium which connect other parts of plant with each other. For example, your flower is connected to the root by taking the help of your stem. Your flower is connected to the leaf by the stem. Your flower is connected to the fruit by the stem. Directly they were not connected, but in indirectly way they were connected with the stem. So next we can say that stem is that part of a plant which connect all other parts of plant with each other. And next is that stem can be hard, it can be woody or it can be soft in nature. Since hard stem, if you recall the previous topics, we have already talked about the kinds of plants where we have said that hard stem is of your tree kind of plant, woody stem is of your kind of a plant, soft is your herb kind of a plant. So this is all about the nature of the stem. Now next thing we have to look upon one thing. Observe this figure carefully. This is your stem and this is your leaf. Okay, the point at which leaf grow are known as node. So this point on the stem is known as node. Similarly, as we know that we have a lot of leaf on a tree or a plant. So if I am talking about another leaf, again this point is known as your node. Suppose this is your node number 1, this is your node number 2, and this part of a plant, or we can say the part between two nodes, the part of a plant between two nodes known as internode. So this highlighted part of a stem is known to be internode. Now move to the next terminology. The angle between the stem and the stalk of a leaf, or we can say the angle formed between your stem and your leaf, that is this, is known as axial. So this is the terminology related to your stem. Next we are going to continue with the function of stem. Now we are going to discuss about functions of stem. First function is that it bears aerial parts of the plants. We have already discussed about it. Second function is that it hold them upright, hold aerial parts of the plant upright. Okay. Next is that it will be act as a connecting link. We have already discussed in a brief manner here that it will be act as a connecting link. Especially this help us in transporting water and minerals. Okay, transporting water from roots to other parts of plant and transporting food also. Food from leaf to the other parts of the plant. Next function we have that in desert stems are green in color, and due to this it will helps in the photosynthesis process also. Next we have, just like in case of root, we have modified roots. Similarly we have modified stems which used to store food. Examples of modified stems are your ginger, potato, and many more. So these are the example of modified stems in which they used to store food in the stem. Last function we have in climbers. Just I have made a rough diagram here. This kind of coiled thread-like structure has been produced from the stem. These are known as tendrils. It twines around any support and helps the climber to climb on that support. Let me show you in a pic. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.